The small town of Forest Grove is generally a quiet one, but in 2016, the quiet was shattered by reports of an otherworldly shrieking sound that seemed to emanate from nowhere and everywhere, all at the same time. Locals described the sound as Satan's tea kettle, or that of a malfunctioning subway train screeching to a stop in the middle of the woods. Some even managed to record the screeching sound. Hypothesized to be everything from a defective water valve to aliens or a signal for the end of times, the sound stopped as suddenly as it started, and no one has been able to figure out what caused them or where they might have come from. Like and follow for more.